Hi guys, this is Diane here in England. I just wanted to show you a little tour around what is Builderall, because I know a lot of you have heard of it, but you don't know exactly what it is. So the first thing that you can see is the hundreds and hundreds of websites that you can actually make for other people, or you can actually make it for yourself. So I'm just going to give you a quick preview or overview of what you can do. So you can actually do your own website from scratch. You can do websites for other people. If you want to choose any subject on the planet, there is one already made. There is painters, barbers, cleaners, fitness, art galleries. There's just too many to mention. There's fashion and beauty, music, events, health and wellness, local businesses, there's dentists. There's also capture pages. So if you want a sales funnel that's already made, you can actually go into this one here. So you can have a questionnaire, you can have a funnel that's already made. If you're doing Amazon, for example, that's that one. If you want to do a webinar, if you want to give a freebie away, if you want a membership funnel, if you want a free product plus shipping funnel, you can do a quiz funnel. There is hundreds of subjects of different funnels that you can actually have a look at. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. I'm just going to give you a quick overview. The next thing I want to do is go onto the app creator. I think this is the one I need. It might not be, because there are apps that are already created. This is the one that you can actually create your own app. Now, if you want to create a new app, there is obviously a tutorial on how you can make it within this platform. I personally know nothing about that, but I wanted to show you this one here. Look, the apps. Now you can actually do a Facebook chatbot. There's an e-learning thing. You can do your own course on here. You can generate your own scripts, or let me just quickly show you this one. So the Facebook chatbot is, if you have a fan page, you can put a post up. You can say, who wants a free ebook on 3 ways to lose weight? Then you can, it's actually so easy that it only takes about 3 seconds. So you put your post on your fan page, you go into this Facebook chatbot, you click on the post that it's on, and then you just do your message with your link on to whatever you want to give them for free. Then you can capture the email if you so wish. So I'm only skimming over the surface. There is an e-learning platform. You can do your own courses. You can generate your own scripts. And let me see. This is the best one of all. I'm just going to skim over this as well. If you want, there's a design creator that I just missed out. There is, so you can design your own Facebook cover photos, your thumbnails on YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest. There is just so much in here that I don't want to confuse you. But if I just show you this, for example, in one whole year, which is 52 weeks, so if you start in, say, January and finish in December, if you did two a week, 52 weeks, that's say 100. So you would collect nearly 5 grand. So your monthly income would be that. So of those 100 people, sorry, you could get them 50 of them to work as an affiliate. And for instance, if they only get, so if they get 2 a week as well, let's just go with a low figure. This monthly income, now this is blows your mind because you don't understand, because there's too many noughts. So you've got 100 people within 1 year, and 50 people in a whole year get 50 people. So there's 50 weeks, 1 a week. You get this much. So that's just a basic idea of what you can get. If you like this video or you want to know more, click the link below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.